Going busy as hell at the Chick-fil-A. Why is the Chick-fil-A so busy on a Thursday? Shorty go jogging every morning, got what you need. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a great morning so far. I've got my Chick-fil-A. I'm feeling good. I'm pretty sure today is day 5 of my 5 days in a row. Now, I haven't officially started like a daily vlog challenge, but I had a bunch of content stacked up and I've just been posting it all, and we're on day 5. Hopefully today will be day 5 of daily uploads, and I might go 7 days. You guys showed some love in the comments yesterday. Maybe you guys want to see me go 7 days, so that is the goal as of right now, 7 days straight. I've been hearing about this one for weeks and weeks and weeks, and we actually waited long enough to get the wheels. Casey finally got his 350 finished up. 2022 F350 with the 28x14 JTX Lotus, all gloss black with the 40, 15, 50, 28 Furies on it. I forgot he did Furies, or 40s. I thought he was doing 38s for some reason, but get your little side profile of the 40s and 28s. And we did get it hooked up with that 8-inch McGoy's kit under there. Love the McGoy's kit. Oh, that 8-inch McGoy's kit. Look, the only thing I don't like about doing the solid axle stuff is you don't get the big nice cross member in the front. I mean, even with a McGoy's kit, there's not going to be any kind of cross member or anything. But those 28s and 40s are no joke. That truck was really good. I thought you were Casey, I'm sorry. The truck looks really good. The 2022 F350 8-inch McGoy's kit, 28x14s and 40s. Those JTX wheels look so good on there. He said it rides really good too. So, I've been waiting for this one for a long time. I knew I wasn't gonna get a chance to film it unless I ran out here and filmed it, like right now. McGoy's front radius arm is super nice with the billet faceplate on it. I love this truck. Let me know what you guys think. I feel like we need to do more McGoy's solid axle stuff. I like their stuff. And they make a silver kit in the solid axle stuff too, which is super cool. Not a lot of people do that anymore. But them JTXs, 28x14s are crazy. Dang, I love that. That looks so good. Casey, I love the truck. Looks really good. We got Tripp's truck finished up today. This one should be going here within the next day or so. I really love this truck. 9-inch McGoy's lift, the red and the blue. You guys have probably seen this one on the channel before. The red and the blue is really beautiful. I love it with the McGoy's upper control arm ball joint caps. Got the red and the blue on the front. 2614 American Forces. Always a favorite. The Gladiators. It's a beautiful truck. Color match mirrors, bumpers, everything. All silver. I love it. I love it. I know you guys are going to love that one. One thing that I was definitely excited to show you guys. One, I've been driving the truck a lot. So the truck's been up here. This one's getting started. We're doing a 6.5-inch BDS on this. You probably, it might be in this video, probably in the next video that you guys will see this one. Getting some 37s. I told my boy I'd film that one. Get to drive the old Ram out here today. Look, he's got a Gen Y hitch with the step on it. Gen Y hitch gang. Gen Y hitch gang with the 26x16 JTX. I think these are the Melee, maybe. I'm not sure. This, I feel like it was like Bentley blue or something like that, some kind of crazy color, but it's got this 10-inch striker kit on it. Absolutely beautiful. Love all the chrome and blue. Black truck. He's wanting to go taller, but 26x16 JTX Fords, absolutely love it. The custom barrels painted on the inside blue. See that? With the 10-inch, with the Fox. Look at your boy over there. Ooh. The striker. I think my favorite part of the build is the Gen Y though. Shout out. Whoa. With the big screen too. Cool. Ooh. Fancy. I really like this truck. Tundra got dropped off. I think we're going to end up starting this one in the next day or two. It's getting some 24x12 kg1s and an 8-inch ready lift with some Gladiators. So So Gladiators, KG1s, and a ready lift. We just did a blue ready lift, 8-inch on a Tundra last week, so make sure you guys go check out that video. But this truck will be coming in. Nice brown color with the chrome front end. I'm a big fan. I think this one's gonna actually turn out really nice. 35, so a little less cutting, 8-inch KG1s. Definitely excited. Make sure you guys stay tuned for a future video for this one. Mikey with the Tahoe. Mikey actually just got that Tahoe, and he put the, what has he got? The 3-inch spindles with the 2-inch torsion keys on the front. So he's got about a 5-inch lift with the Chevy stocks, I think, with the ridge grapplers. The Tahoe is actually looking pretty nice. I really like what he's doing to the. Now, how am I supposed to turn the light off when the wheels are in front of the light switch? Are you kidding me? Look at this. How am I supposed to turn the lights off? What is the deal here? How am I supposed to turn the light switch off? Freaking trash. Look. What do they expect me to do here? Freaking trash over here. Freaking gosh. Freaking idiots. And they put the wheels right in front of the light switch. I guess within the next couple of weeks, I'm gonna have to get me into a little daily, new little project truck to work on. But obviously, so you guys don't even know the full story with the Cateye, and it's still at a tow yard right now. Is the only information I'm gonna give you. Within the next couple of days, maybe a week or so, I'm gonna have it towed down here to the shop. I'll do some, some figuring out what's going on with it, how bad the damage is. It's probably gonna end up getting totaled anyway, but we're gonna bring it out to the shop. I might keep it as a pre-runner build. I don't know, we'll just see how bad it ends up being, but I will get it, insured out or totaled out, get it checked, whatever the deal is, and end up buying a new daily at some point to drop. I'm also testing out some new hats to put on the website as well. So I got like made my own kind of Bass Pro Shop style hat, which if you guys like Richardson hats then you guys might actually like something like this. And then one with the Bread Gang on it as well. Not a big fan of the colors, obviously, but I actually had a company reach out to me and send these for free. I'm gonna put his link in the description below for showing love to the channel and to the brand. I actually really like this patchwork. I don't know, I'm just trying to find the right combination of the two. I don't think the Bass Pro Shop is a full trucker style hat, which goes all the way down, and these Richardsons just don't fit the same, you know what I mean? But let me know in the description what you guys might want to see come from Southern Tires. I got some new designs dropping on the website. I'm getting some testing done on some of those that I'll show you in videos later this week, hopefully, but some new stuff that'll be dropping on the website very soon. Link in the description. You guys may or may not have seen the video a couple days ago of Ted Moore with the red 2022 Silverado LTD. We did the 37s and the 22x12 Archons. Ted, if you're watching this, I love you. Ted surprised me the other day with a Gen Y hitch for that wide bow tie. And I'm gonna pick this thing up even though it's freaking heavy though. And brought it to me when we built his truck a couple of days ago. I'm actually carrying this out here in the box. Isn't that cool? And I never in my life thought that I would get a Gen Y hitch, but Ted called me the other day and said, hey, what kind of Gen Y hitch should I get for my truck? And I went on their website and I said, well, I'd probably get this one or this one. And he said, well, I got both of them. Pick whichever one you want. Honestly, I really didn't think anything of it because I just thought he was ordering one for his own truck. And then he showed up to build the truck, and you guys probably saw in the video there was 2 Gen Y hitches there. And we put one of them on his truck, but I wanted to save this to put it in its own video to just show more appreciation to Ted. So Ted, I love you. But we have a new Gen Y hitch to open up on the channel. I've had the same kind of setup on the back of the truck for a long time here. For the longest time, Alpha X taillight, shout out Alpha X, Danny from Alpha X. We've got the Do It With Dan certified ship box license plate cover, and then we got the fucking mint from Grill Tech. Shout out Grill Tech. All of these are staying on the truck, but we're adding a new sponsored item to the back of the truck back here. Shout out Ted Moore. I don't really have any way to like put up a stand for this. I guess that's better. So he did give me a little lock for it, which is cool. And then obviously, this thing is so freaking got our Gen Y hitch. A little unboxing for y'all. He got me this knife too. This knife is like super sharp. He said he was tired of seeing me open boxes with a super dull, just trash knife. So he brought me a new pocket knife as well. And he got me some pants. I mean, Ted is just spoiling me. Look at it. Like butter. Like freaking butter. Got our pins. Always wanted one of these. Never felt like I'd ever be able to save up enough money for one of these. So this is, I've been so excited for this for the last couple of days. Oh. So obviously we gotta take the grill tech piece off first. That's staying on the hitch though. Grill tech, you're staying on the truck. I promise, you're staying on the truck. You're not going anywhere. Got all kinds of little attachments and stuff with it too. That's cool. This is definitely something you can get powder coated at some point too. So obviously you got your back piece here. Let's I guess let's put it all on the ground and kind of do it that way. Is that easier? A little tripod over here. All right, so throw our hitch in. All right, with the lock. Gotta have the lock. I don't know where the other piece went. Dang it. Lock at. I don't know. We'll have to get the lock. So we got this piece in, right? That ain't going nowhere. And then we're gonna throw our fucking mint in there. Little snug fit. Love it. There we go. So we're gonna lock this one on here. We're not gonna lock the other ones on there. But we're gonna lock the mint in there. Come on. Try not to mess it up. Dang it. Get it? Nobody told me this was gonna be that difficult. Woo. There we go. That piece in there. I guess we're gonna throw our, ooh, we can put our shark tail hitch in here. I forgot about the shark tail hitch. We got that piece. We got this piece we can throw in there. We got all kinds of cool little attachments now. Like that one in there. That one in there. Lock this one on, right? I think we're gonna end up needing to change this around a little bit, but you get the point. We got a Gen Y hitch on the truck now, and it gives it just such a big bulky look in the back. Let me know what you guys think of the Gen Y hitch. I think I need to flip the balls around. Put the balls on the bottom and the mint at the top. It's probably what I'm ended up doing. Yeah, I'm gonna switch that around. Yeah, that's definitely a better setup, sitting that way. I like that a lot better. And you can actually use the bottom as a step too. So bow tie all cleaned up the other day, looking all right. Looking all right. I like that though. Ted, thank you so much. I love the way that turned out. Looks really freaking good. Love that.